Hi, my name is Christina. I'm with Midland Bookkeeping Services, and today I'm going to show you how to enter in expenses that were paid for with the owner's personal funds. So our first step is we're going to go to Plus New and Expense, and we'll leave the payment date as 3/29/2024, and we're going to say we paid the telephone bill. So we're going to say we paid Cal telephone bill from our personal funds or our personal checking account. And I typically use the payment account cash on hand or cash. That way you don't see these transactions in your normal checking register or the bank reconciliation screen. So then for the category, we're going to see if we can find phone. So we do have utilities and phone. And we're going to say we paid $50 out of our personal funds. And then the second line item that we're going to choose is it's going to be an equity account. And typically, if you are a sole proprietor, you can use owner's contributions. Just kind of depends on how your business is structured. But we're going to use owner's contributions, and then here we're going to do negative $50, and then you can tab out. And once you tab over or click outside of that, you'll see that the amount has changed to zero. It's called a $0 expense. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and hit save and close. And I will show you how those are showing up. So first, we're going to go to the chart of accounts. This is our cash on hand account. That's where we kind of put that transaction. And in here you can see it's a $0 expense, Cal telephone. So it's in a bank register. Now if you go to reports, you can go to your profit and loss and make sure the date range is correct. And we're going to scroll down till we see utilities and telephone. It looks like we have $180.86 in there. If you click on that total dollar amount, and I always click switch to classic view. Here you can see $329, the expense, Cal telephone, and $50. So that expense is hitting our profit and loss. And then the second place you'll want to double check to make sure that you entered it in correctly. I always run a balance sheet report and make sure the date range is correct. I'm going to hit run report, and then what we're going to do is we're going to scroll down to the equity area and look for owner's contributions, and there you see $50, and you can go ahead and click on that total amount, and you can see the expense to Cal telephone and $50. So that is how you would enter in an expense that was paid for with the owner's personal funds.